Bandits kill 14 persons in Benengwari and 5 in Kajuru local government areas. Kaduna State Commissioner for Internal Security and Home Affairs, Mr. Samuel Arua, on Sunday confirmed that bandits killed 14 persons in Benengwari and 5 in Kajuru local government areas of the state. This was contained in a statement on Sunday. He said, on a sad note, the Kaduna State government has received reports from security agencies on the killings of 19 citizens in Benungwari and Kajuru local government area of Kaduna Central Senatorial District. The citizens are killed by armed bandits at Kotemeshi village in Benungwari and Kujeni village in Kajuru, where several others were left with bullet wounds. Both attacks occurred on Saturday. The statement further added that in Kutemeshi village of Benengwari, LGA, the following citizens were killed: Malan Sani Barume, Yahaya Bello, Amadu Dan Kuru, Samaila Niga, Jamilu Haruna, Lawan Majia, Dan Malam Rabu, Dauda Kafinta, Hazan Mai Makani, Bashir Haruna, Lawal Ali, Muhazu Haruna, Mai Ongua, Saidu Harisu, Baku. Some shops were also looted with valuable items carted away. Some of the injured have been moved to a neighboring state closer to Kutemeshi for urgent medical attention, while others are in transit to an orthopedic hospital in Kaduna. So far, only the 14 corpses have been recovered from Kutemeshi. The Kaduna State government will provide updates on any emerging developments. In Kujeni village of Kajuru local government area, the attackers burned several houses, storehouses with foodstuffs, warehouses loaded with building materials, and a church. The following citizens were killed: Bulus Jatao, Hanatu Emmanuel, Bitrus Tuna, Johanna Mika, Monday Ayuba. Those injured include Bulus Sambai and Godwin Yakubu. Governor Nasser El-Rufai, who has been monitoring the security situation at the location since Saturday morning, expressed sadness over the attacks. The governor, who condoled families that lost their loved ones, offered prayers for the repose of their souls and a speedy recovery for the injured. He further directed the Kaduna State Emergency Management Agency to urgently provide relief materials to the affected communities. So Nasser Rufai can show remorse that his community is attacked, right? So he can be this caring. So El-Rufai can believe that bandits can attack his community now. That is good, oh. That is very, very, very good. Can you imagine? El-Rufai that you will call and and inform of what the people are going through in his own state. Tell him that, look, your state is on fire. Bandits, headsmen are killing your people. El-Rufai will tell you that is not his own state, that his state is secured, that nothing is happening, that it's all lies, that we are just blaspheming, that we want to we are casting his own state. Okay, so he can believe. This is interesting. That's good anyway. You see, Kaduna is one of those states that herdsmen doesn't spare, most especially the bandits. When it comes to attack, bandits don't spare Kaduna State. They don't. After Katsina, after Borno, then we talk about Kaduna. These states listed now are the states that are mostly attacked by bandits. Bandits don't spare them, and because of that, at least the northern governors supposed to wake up. They're supposed to wake up and start working things out. But they are just relaxed. And most especially they are too relaxed. Too relaxed, and it doesn't go down well. So this is something that they're supposed to have done something about. Okay, look at the number of people that are killed in Kaduna State. I don't know, El-Rufai, despite the past attacks that Kaduna State have experienced, though then he hasn't believed that herdsmen are attacking his own state, El-Rufai has still not learned his lesson that these people are not people that you should be joking with, are not people that you should be overlooking. What is the problem? You know, you are in the state. You look as if you are not in the state. You are in the state. Look as if you are not in the state. Look as if you are not with the people. You see that? You see what we are complaining of. The people have a governor. It looks as if they don't have a governor. For what reason now? And why? Why? What is the problem? What is the problem about? And why is it like that? Why is it like that? I will say that El-Rufai, you are not doing what is expected of you. At all, you are not. So please, my viewers, I don't know what your own comment concerning all that has just been mentioned or said, but I believe you have something to leave behind. Whatsoever it is, leave those comments of yours below the comment section. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.